Hey guys, at Inbound this year, HubSpot introduced Marketing Studio, and I see it as a big facelift for the Marketing Hub, and it really helps visualize your full campaigns and helps you better manage all of the different things that could be going on in your campaigns. And I feel like marketers are gonna love this. And today I'm going to walk you through how to set it up. First things first, it is in beta, so take that with a grain of salt there, but you head over to Marketing and then down to Marketing Studio. This is pretty much where you also would previously have managed your campaigns, but there is an intro section that can give you some context on how you can use this. I'm going to quickly show you some ways that you could initially set it up. The first thing you want to do is make sure you enable AI in your settings and you have set up your brand kit, your ICP, all that stuff, so AI can have better context and produce better assets for you. But there's some recommended templates at the bottom here that I'm going to use. So the first one is generating new leads. So a lead gen campaign, we all love that. I'm going to use that template. Now the first thing is it's going to ask you some questions and AI will even generate what the campaign brief looks like, and you can go in and edit this before you proceed. But once you're happy with it, you can also add in files for context on like assets and things you want to use. Once you're happy with this, just hit generate campaign, and this is the cool thing with AI now. So it's actually going to go use that brief, that information, build out a campaign brief for you, and then begin generating some draft assets for you. And you can see it all happen live time, and it gives you all of the flexibility to go make adjustments to the brief and the assets. What you'll notice here as well is that this is a new view for marketing. So it's basically like a big digital whiteboard, and it can help you see visually all of the different things that's going to happen. Yep, so it's creating all of these draft things for me. It couldn't generate a landing page, but I'll get it to retry and see what happens there. No, doesn't love that, but that's okay. It's created a general lead capture form for me that I can go and further personalize. It even created like marketing email, blog post, all that stuff, and I can go in and like zhuzh it up a bit more. You can also click this plus button on the side and you can create all these extra modules on your vision board. So you can add in specific files, podcast episodes, even add in your own notes about what happens in internal processes. So you have a full vision board of the whole campaign, what happens at the beginning, how your automations will work, and where you hand it off to different people and what actions need to be happening in order to get success from this campaign. So you can see here it's created draft assets and stuff. Then we can go in and start scheduling them out, publishing things, and then it will show you what things are scheduled, what things have already been published, and start generating all this insights and analytics for you. You can manage the campaign from a calendar level and drag things around. You can also see what's going on in a board level. So if you like Kanban boards and you want to see the status of everything, this is a new best friend for you in marketing. And then finally, we've got a table version. So it can allow for a lot of different marketers like preferences in how they manage their campaigns. But that's pretty much how you use the Marketing Studio to better manage your campaigns. If I head back here, I can now go over to the Manage page, and this is where you see that traditional campaigns for management. But we also have this Analyse page. This is where it's going to give you a whole bunch of reporting on your campaigns and how it's going. Again, it's quite similar to what it used to be, but I think now you can also customize and put your own personalized reports in this dashboard, or replace it entirely with a dashboard that better suits the metrics your business reports on. That's it for Marketing Studio. Definitely go have a play around with it and let us know what you think. If you have any other questions about all these agents that HubSpot's throwing out, leave a comment below and make sure you subscribe for more AI and HubSpot content. Happy HubSpotting.